Hey YouTube, Phil in Florence. Recently I was contacted by a guy named Jeremy associated with Barrelhouse Cookers, a brand promoter, and he asked me if I'd be interested in taking one of these Barrelhouse drum smokers and doing a couple of videos. You know, my daddy always taught me, if somebody's trying to give you something, take it. So I said, sure. I cook anyway. I'm gonna be out here. I'm retired. 46 years with the power company. I'm retired and I barbecue. That's what I do. Have fun. Every day Saturday. So he shipped me one out and here it is. I'm breaking it in right now. I've just got it cranked up and got some coals hot and we burning her down, seasoning the can, so to speak. Anyway, I'm gonna go through it in a minute. I'm gonna show you how I unpackaged it. It's real easy and straightforward. It's about 3 things to do. Cut the box open, take it out, unwrap a couple things, and just set them in there and pop the bottom on, and that's about it. And you can go to cooking. So you stay tuned, and I'll show you how I did that. Oh, you see baby sitting back there, and little Red and Big Hoss back there. They all waiting to see what's in this box. Well, let's see. Step 1. I think it's pretty simple, put together. Most of it's together already. Take this top box out. It's got the grates and other little things that hang on it. That box is empty, so discard that. You know, guys, we just tear into it. Alright, got one of those. We'll just start stacking it over here. Some instruction and diagram and pictures. Put that under the camera leg. Some half moon shaped shells. That looks pretty interesting. Another rack to hang, imagine to hang in the barrel and hang things. Picture and the owner's manual. Got that there. Some stainless steel support something. Another piece of stainless steel with a threaded end and some threads up here. I don't know yet. Oh, a couple of koozies, I guess. Yeah, you always use that. Some hooks, stainless steel hooks. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I think I know what this is. The tool that you grab your hooks with. Yep, it's nice, stainless steel. Okay, so far so good. Alright, cut down where we can get a hold of something. Well, a hinge top. I won't have to put a hinge on it. Very easy to unpack, that's for sure. Got a bottom, 2 clips, one on each side, and you lift it up. Take some cardboard out the bottom. Got another little bracket. Another stainless steel charcoal section, packing, and that's it. It's just the base with this attached ring in there. I think it's attached, it's not moving. Okay. I think what you do is you turn it over. And this feels like aluminum, just holding it. It's lightweight. From what I understand, you got two little metal tabs that go in these holes. Push one in and push this in and down. It snaps right onto these tabs here, these little things that stick out, and there's your base. Set this base back down and set this back down. It lines up with these clamps, and they just clamp down. It's pretty straightforward. It's not that big around. It's just a 14-inch barrel, but when you go, you know, when you go to hanging meat, it doesn't take much room to hang half a dozen. Oh, that little these little koozies have a little magnet in them. They stuck to this thing while I was pulling it away. That's pretty cool. Hey, 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 hey. Red, you'd like that. Let me get a little closer. You see that? Where am I at? Yeah, right here. This rack here goes in. I think all this is stainless steel from what I understand. Anyway, this right here goes on top. And of course, your hooks into your meat, hangs on your bracket. And yeah, you can hang, let's see, 2, 4, probably 8 racks of ribs in here. I don't know, I'm just guessing. But then this comes out. This is my first time, y'all, so I hadn't gotten smooth with this yet. Let's see, that stays in. I'll figure it out eventually. This has got to turn over. I'll have to look. I hadn't looked at the book yet, so I'm just kind of throwing this stuff around. That's how pretty easy it is. Okay, that looks good. You know, you could take one side out, be hanging a couple of ribs, 3 racks of ribs, and have some potatoes or asparagus or any kind of vegetable up here, or another piece of meat. So that works pretty good. Now you're and I think you can put the same configuration down in the middle of the smoker. You can drop this on down to another level. So it's kind of like modular. Yes. You can put these further down. Yeah. And they fit good. That's like your modular rack that can go down in this thing. Yeah. So if you want to do low and slow smoking, you can put the further down in there and do some of that. And put your other rack up here and hang on one side and smoke a little deeper with the butter. So give me a chance to look at the book. Anyway, all kind of there's variations of this thing, how you can set it up. But this charcoal goes in the bottom, and you don't have to reach all the way down in there. You just unclip your your clamps on the side and lift it off. You want to add charcoal. You can do that. It sits right down in there. You see that? Sits right down in there, the bottom. Okay. Fill it up with charcoal, light it, and put this back on. Line it up. And clamp it. All right. Then bring you back down here. You've got this airflow. You got this airflow baffle here that opens and closes according to your elevation, 1, 2, 3, 4. You know, all the way open on 1, 2, 3, or 4. I'd probably be about a 1, I guess, here close to the beach. And you've got one more little bracket here that you put in these holes here. Pull it out into that hole. There you go. You can see the size of it up beside the other 2 cookers. It's got a small footprint. It's not a big cooker, but from what I've seen, it can hold its own. Cooking chicken and ribs especially, and a couple of butts. I'll be coming back, you know I will, with a few cooks here shortly. So y'all stay tuned. Phil in Florence. I'd just like to say thank you to Jeremy over at Barrelhouse for giving me this opportunity. I'm excited about using the smoker sometime over the weekend, hopefully. May throw some ribs on there. That ought to be what that barrel shine's doing, is baby back ribs. So thank you, Jeremy. Thank all the viewers for watching Phil in Florence. Until next time, bye bye.